Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by collecting a transparent cat emoji PNG and any short clips you want to layer it on. Once done, open YouTube Shorts and choose vertical 1080 x 1920 with your preferred 15 to 60 second length. You should record a simple background shot or use a green screen for clean compositing. This makes overlaying the emoji easier later. Make sure to keep motion smooth and avoid complex backgrounds, so the emoji reads clearly on small screens. You now import the cat emoji as a sticker inside Shorts or a mobile editor, then place it where viewers will focus. Once placed, scale and use keyframes or the built-in movement tool to sync the emoji with on-screen action so it feels natural. Make sure to add a subtle outline or shadow so the emoji separates from the background. This improves legibility on phones. If your app supports easing, apply it. Smooth in and out movement looks far more professional. You should preview the entire short and confirm the emoji timing, transitions, and audio mix before publishing. Once satisfied, export or save directly from Shorts at 1080 x 1920 and a reasonable bitrate so colors and edges remain sharp. Publish with concise caption and relevant tags. If the emoji flickers, re-export the PNG with true transparency or reduce animation complexity. Alternatively, recreate the overlay in a simple editor to isolate and fix alignment or frame rate issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.